In this video, we take this dirt cheap 6-wheel drive crawler and we put it up against one that is a lot more expensive. Andy the Landy's coming too. Check it out. And then we got a little rock crawl section over there. So this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. It's a free game that you can play on mobile and desktop. The game is cross-device, so you can play with the same user across different devices. And there's a link to the game down below in the description. Raid Shadow Legends is a role-player game that uses raw, dark, epic graphics. So if you're tired of the cartoony looking kiddie games, then this could be for you. And now the highly anticipated Battle Pass is on. Season 1 is live and you can win some awesome rewards including free energy refills, gems, upgraded artifact sets and new epic and legendary champions by fulfilling the daily and weekly challenges. So go to the video description and click on the special links, and if you are a new player you will get 100,000 silver and 50 gems plus energy refills and 1 free championship adjudicator. And rewards will only be available for the next 30 days, so click on the link down below and download your free game. Oh, is 6x6 going to get this? Box section. Uh-oh. I'm impressed how well this cheapo's doing. Although I've messed it up now. Ah, tumble wumble. Next challenge, we've got these rocks here, and this is actually pretty steep. And we've got to make it all the way up there, round there, round there. Anyway, let's just do it. Let's waffle. So this is actually running the Traxxas TRX4 tyres. They're actually not bad tyres. And I've already got up this earlier, so I'm guessing I should be able to do it again, maybe? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, this bit's easy. Oh, it was easy. Alright, there we go. Now the next bit. Oh, sliding off already. Oh, and we've done it. See here, I'm struggling because I haven't quite got the steering. Oh, we did it, oh, we did it. Oh, look at that, straight up. Oh, apart from the last bit. Right, there we go, all the way out. All right, next section, we have a bridge coming up. First, we need to navigate these rocks. We've got a broken body down here. Straight over that. Now we have this bridge. Very narrow. I'm doing it one-handed. Crawling. Oh, it's doing it, it's doing it. Come down the last little bit. Oh yes, we're doing it. Easy. 6. Oh, struggling for traction. And oh, we've done it. I think this will probably be the end of the track.